Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the air filter Buick Encore. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Open the hood and prop it securely. Locate the rectangular airbox near the engine and note the clips or screws. Remove fasteners, lift the lid, and slide out the old filter. Inspect the housing for debris and wipe clean. Install the new filter with the correct orientation and reseal the airbox. I always recommend laying out tools before starting. It saves time and frustration. You need a screwdriver that fits the airbox clips plus a clean rag to wipe the housing. Confirm the replacement filter matches your Buick Encore engine and VIN details before installing. Gloves keep hands clean and compressed air can loosen stuck dust. Work methodically so the filter seats properly and the airbox seals tight to prevent unfiltered air entry. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car maintenance tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which I use to set repair timers and play upbeat tunes while I work. It fits nicely on the garage shelf and answers voice queries hands-free. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the hood open, identify the airbox and its fasteners. Unscrew or unclip carefully and lift the lid without forcing any plastic tabs. Remove the old filter and inspect it for heavy dirt or oil, then vacuum or wipe the housing interior. Place the new filter oriented to the airflow arrow and press the lid back into place, reattaching clips or screws securely. Double-check the seal and start the engine to listen for abnormal intake noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.